Many people purchase insurance believing they will be protected in every situation. However, when an emergency happens, they discover something very important inside the policy: exclusions. So then, what are exclusions? Exclusions are situations, damages, treatments, or circumstances that the insurance company will not cover, even if the person has an active insurance policy. In other words, exclusions represent the limits of the insurance protection. For example, some medical insurance policies may not cover pre-existing conditions for a certain period of time. For example, some medical insurance policies may not cover pre-existing conditions for a certain period of time. For example, some medical insurance policies may not cover pre-existing conditions for a certain period of time. Some automobile insurance policies may not cover damages if the driver was under the influence of alcohol. Some automobile insurance policies may not cover damages if the driver was under the influence of alcohol. Some automobile insurance policies may not cover damages if the driver was under the influence of alcohol. And some homeowners insurance policies may exclude certain specific natural disasters. Every insurance policy has different exclusions, which is why it is very important for the agent or advisor to clearly explain the main limitations and situations that will not be covered before the insurance is purchased. After the policy is issued, it is also recommended to review it carefully and ask questions if something is not completely clear. Many people focus only on what the insurance covers, but very few review what is not included. And that is exactly where expensive surprises can appear during an emergency. Exclusions do not necessarily exist to harm the insured person. In many cases, they help clearly define the scope of protection and allow insurance companies to better calculate risks and policy costs. For that reason, before purchasing any insurance policy, it is worth asking, what situations are not covered, what are the main exclusions, and in which cases might the coverage not apply? Understanding these details can help people make better decisions and avoid misunderstandings during difficult moments, because protection begins with knowledge.